Hello everyone, this is Asian University for Women Wing and welcome to Oritrika. Oritrika is a non-profit organization which works for a safer and green environment. Here we talk about many things which can cause the environment pollution and what are the measurements we can take to prevent those. And today we are going to talk about the ozone layer.
Ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of the Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, and it is mainly found in the lower portion of the stratosphere, approximately from 10 to 35 kilometers above from the Earth, and it is considered as an umbrella of the Earth.
Thinning of the ozone layer increases skin-related diseases. The industrialization and use of harmful chemicals impacts the depletion of the ozone layer. Certain industrial processes and emission of the consumer products enhance the ozone-depleting substances to the atmosphere. The harmful elements are chlorofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloroforms, and halogens. In recent decades, because of the release of large quantities of CFCs and bromofluorocarbons, ozone shields are seriously depleting, which endangered our planet in a great risk.
Recent study claims that Dhaka is the most air-populated country in the world. Those studies emphasized on formation of particulate matters and some gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide. In recent years, many countries like China, India, and Pakistan have been facing a photochemical smoke issue. Due to geographic position, Bangladesh receives a high amount of solar radiation, which is a precondition for building up ground-level ozone.
Ozone pollution can become a great risk for a country like Bangladesh in the near future. Therefore, the unique environmental situation of Bangladesh makes it a very suitable automatic cooking station of ground-level ozone. In Bangladesh, no particular research has been performed on ground-level ozone and its impact on human ecosystem and environment. Moreover, people of Bangladesh rarely know the existence of ozone depletion in their surrounding air.
In this year, the COVID 19 pandemic took back many things and has brought such social and economic hardship. Therefore, the message of this pandemic taught us of working together in harmony and for the collective good is more important than ever. In 1994, the UN General Assembly proclaimed September 16 the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer of the Montreal Protocol in the Vienna Convention on Substances that Deplete the Ozone Layer.
Some experts say that the pandemic outbreak hastens the recovery of the ozone layer by decreasing the pollution. Our ozone layer is healing indeed after the COVID-19 pandemic decreases the pollution rate, and that really contributes to the healing ozone layer. The slogan of the day, Ozone for Life, reminds us that not only is ozone crucial for life on Earth, but also we must continue to protect the ozone layer for future generations.
We do not
Permit the Earth
To produce beauty and joy,
Not produce
be food either.